Hello, I'm KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to download Google News app.
But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to Merch Store. We create cool and original designs for sport fans. We sell shirts, pillows, stickers, and other cool stuff. They can also be the perfect gift for kids, family, or friends who love sports. You can find the link to our store on top of our comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to a video.
Like I said, I'll show you to download Google News app. We're gonna start by opening up your Apple Store on your device. Make sure you tap where it says the Apple Store right there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. As we arrive on this main screen right here, look on the Apple where it says Apple Store. Make sure you tap where it says where you see the search icon right there, the bar. Tap there. Then make sure you tap where it says Google News, like that. And make sure you see this one where it says Google News, top world and local news. Make sure to tap on the right where it shows the cloud right there. Just tap it like that. And then they're gonna ask you download an older version of this app. And that's how you download Google News app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.